A very good Thursday morning to everyone out there. Landon here in the driver's seat to bring you your latest weather or not forecast, courtesy of Ohio Valley Insurance. Take a look at the ongoing satellite imagery to get things kicked off. We're definitely underneath clearer skies this morning than what we were this time yesterday whenever we were socked in underneath all of that cloud cover. You can see we've got the cloud deck trekking off the south and east and out of the Commonwealth. Still got a few wispy clouds present out there, but it is definitely a far cry from this time yesterday. Skycam overlooking the Lover's Lane Soccer Complex and the Loops Trails. A few of the clouds out there that you can see that are ongoing. Those will be clearing out here over the upcoming hours, allowing for rays of sunshine to take over and dominate. Peachtree News Skycam, we do have some of the city lights there from Morgantown reflecting, it would appear, and refracting off of a fog bank. Be aware of that. Going to have some patchy dense fog in some locations with the clear skies that have officially started to take over. A warm front's lifted north over the region throughout the overnight, folks. That's allowed for winds to turn out of the south. That is what is keeping our temperatures up, right? We're all the way up to right around the 50-degree mark across the vast majority of the Wobbles community. Lone cold spot up here in the flats of Woodbury, which is typical. Up in Butler County, sitting in the mid-40s right now. Folks, with the southerly winds in place and rays of sunshine, we're going to be taking highs all the way up to right around the 80-degree mark this afternoon. That is well above average for this time of year. Looking here at the latest surface map, you can see the warm front tracking nicely just north of the region as we speak. That's what's going to be taking this cloud cover along with it, allowing for sunshine to take over. We will be south of the warm front and east of the cold front, placing us in the warm sector of the system, and we're really going to find out the meaning of that as we work into this afternoon. As previously mentioned, folks, it is going to be much warmer than what we have been experiencing. That is a promise. As we press on and work throughout the remaining work week, we're going to be experiencing a major change. Today is our transition day on into Friday as well. It'll be very warm today on into our Friday as well, but take a look by the time we get into Friday evening. We got this monster cold front that's blasting through. Warm conveyor belt's going to keep us very warm. But the big weather story, folks, is what's going to take place after this cold front passes through here. We got scattered rain showers that's going to be present. Doesn't look like we're going to have much to deal with in terms of lightning and thunder. And rainfall keeps tracking down and pouring down with the progressive nature of this system. There's not going to be enough moisture to work with. We're going to have a period of scattered rain showers that's going to last all the way through the weekend, but that's going to be because of the wraparound moisture that you can see here on the back side of that low pressure system, all right? So even after the cold front passes, we're going to be dealing with all this wraparound moisture that is going to create not ideal conditions throughout the entire weekend. Scattered gusty rain showers, those northwest winds of 20 to 30 plus miles an hour. Highs trapped anywhere between the mid-50s up into the low and mid-60s at points. It is going to be a far cry this weekend from what we're going to experience today and throughout the daylight hours tomorrow, okay? We'll put this into motion. Here we are getting into Friday evening. You can see there, folks, just not much moisture returns coming along with the latest model guidance. This has been pared down over the past few days. We're still anywhere around maybe squeezing out a tenth or two of an inch of rainfall Friday throughout the weekend with the light and scattered nature that's expected to be, all right? In terms of severe weather, folks, we don't have none of that to worry about, much less any thunder or lightning, because look at this ribbon of instability that's coming right along with the cold front, all right? This is valid for around mid-afternoon on Friday, and then whenever the cold front passes through here Friday evening into Friday night, that'll be our best chance to see the wet stuff. Look at how that instability just dissipates and pretty much just goes away. So without any instability to work with, folks, we got a lot of sheer, gusty winds are a guarantee. But as far as the severe weather side of things, we are going to be a far cry from that. Folks, on the back side, here comes the upper level low. The surface low is right here at the same time frame we were looking at. A trough axis is going to follow suit and really cut down to the south and east right behind the cold front. Take a look at what's going to occur throughout the weekend, folks, and on into the early days of next week. Look at this monster trough just digging hardcore across the eastern third of the United States. We're going to be seeing these below average temperatures beginning Saturday, continuing through Sunday on into Monday and Tuesday, with the opportunity of these scattered, pesky, gusty rain showers overstaying its welcome. Then whenever that trough moves out, we'll get into a brief period of ridging in the Wednesday to Thursday time frame that looks to dry us out and warm us up a few degrees. But very quickly on its heels, folks, here comes another deep digging trough along with an associated low pressure system to bring another cold front through here, along with more rain showers and storm chances roughly a week from today. All right, so we're in this transition pattern. It's an active pattern as well. We'll obviously be keeping close eyes on that here as we work over the upcoming days. Here's a full breakdown, folks, if we can give you the next 5-day weather forecast. For today and tomorrow, it should be rather quiet overall. Loads of sunshine today with highs near 80 degrees. A mix of sun and clouds throughout our Friday. Clouds will be increasing during the afternoon on into the evening ahead of the passing cold front. Likely rain chances follow Friday night. Again, folks, it should be brief in nature. They'll be scattered in nature as well. And then that's going to continue all the way through the weekend. Cold advection regime coming in out of the north and west. I think high temperatures will be achieved very early in the day on Saturday, there in the upper 60s. It'll be much chillier during the afternoon and evening. And then, folks, we're likely not going to be escaping the 50s for highs Sunday all the way through at least Tuesday of next week. That'll wrap up your Thursday morning Whether or Not forecast, brought to you by Ohio Valley Insurance. You all take care of yourselves and each other. Have a fantastic next 5